What up, y'all? A little quick video for my dreamers out there. How y'all doing, man? Doing well? Hope so. One thing I've learned on my journey towards manifesting my dreams, right? And, turning what's in here and in here into reality is you can't be afraid to look stupid. That's, I think a lot of people have this fear of looking dumb when pursuing what they want in life. And the fact of the matter is, when you first start off doing something, you're gonna look dumb. Why are you gonna look dumb? Because you are. You're ignorant. You're new to it. I think we forget, like when we're children, we walking around saying goo goo gaga. We don't know words. We don't know how to express ourselves. Baby humans are, in a sense, we pretty dumb when we were first born, but the cuteness kind of masks that. But whenever you start something out in life, you're always gonna look like a newbie, a beginner. And you have to embrace that, man. You have to embrace that. When I first started making YouTube videos, if I was afraid of looking dumb, they wouldn't have turned into what they turned into today. I wouldn't have got to express this, part of me that needed to be expressed, and I wouldn't have been able to impact the lives that I've impacted through this YouTube channel in a positive way. Same thing, I started a business a couple years ago, and that business led to some lives being impacted in a very positive way. And if I was afraid of looking dumb doing presentations and networking and meeting new people, none of that would have happened. I wouldn't have gained any skills, and I wouldn't have made any progress towards what I wanted to make progress towards in my life. So, think about what it is in your life that you would love to pursue. Think about what it is in your life that you would love to see come to fruition. What's holding you back? If it's any kind of fear about your image holding you back, you need to drop that, man. Because you're not here to please anybody. You're here to live from the heart. You're here to live from, a place in which you're doing this for you. And I promise you, after so many repetitions, you'll stop looking dumb, and you'll start looking real cool, and you'll start seeing progress. And next thing you know, people will be like, "Man, how'd you get there? How'd you make that happen? Why do you have the talent? What's up with you?" The same people that probably would have said, "Oh, this dude looks stupid doing this. Oh, this girl looks dumb. What are you doing?" After so many repetitions, they're gonna be wondering how you did it. So just hang in there. Hang in there, get outside of your comfort zone, and look dumb. Look dumb. It's okay. Look foolish. You gotta start somewhere, man. All right? Much love, y'all. Get after it.